Hello and welcome to my course on WhatsApp automation through Excel sheet. In this course, we will just learn how to send WhatsApp messages from the Excel sheet. So let me tell you why do we need it. So if you know, WhatsApp have a limitation as of now, so we can forward the same messages to only 5 people. So if I try to send this message more than 5 people, it would not allow, right? So we can forward the message to 5 people at a time. And it becomes very boring when we want to send the same message to more than 5 people, right? We just need to do same exercise again and again. So that is why I have come up with this course. So here you just need to make one Excel sheet. Here you would just type the name of the people, then you would just type the contact number of that people, and in the third column you would just type the message. And after doing that, if you run our application, it would just send the message one by one. So it would go to the first contact and it would send this message, then again it would go to the second contact, then it would send this message, and this process will go on and on till we reach to the last contact. So if you see here we have the contact number, that means Excel file, and here I will run the application which I have made it. So if you run this guy, let me just quickly show you the UI which we had. This is the Excel file and this is the phone UI. It would just try to find a first contact number and then it would type a message. So the message was Python space programming space language. So it has typed it and it will send it. Now again it will go to the next contact which was Jigisha. Then it would just type a message here, and I have intentionally added some sleep here so we can see this is actually working. So here it would send a message, and this process will go on and on till we reach to the last contact. So this is the part 1 where we will learn how to send messages from the Excel sheet. In the part 2 we will also learn how to add the attachment as well. So along with the message we will also allow user to select the attachment. So in the last column we would just select the media file that we want to send. So if you just see here, I have here a PDF file, a video file, then we have an MP3 file, and then we have a PNG file as well. And once you run our Python code, it would just find a contact number, would send the message, and it would also attach the attachment as well. So along with the message we will also send the attachment. Now I will run this application. It would go to the contact number whatever we had selected, that been mentioned in the Excel sheet. It would first select the media file which we had. I think for this one we had a PDF media file. So it would find a PDF media file, will select that media file and will send it. So as we can see that it has sent that PDF file. Now it will type the message which we had. So it was a multi-line message, so it has typed the message in 3 lines. Now it would go to the next contact number which is for Jiggy, and it would select the media file, and I think for this contact number we had a video file that was the selected. So now it has selected a video file. It would send this message, and after that it would type a message for this particular contact number. So let's see. So it is working fine, and obviously this process will go on and on till we reach to the last contact. So there is no prerequisite for taking this course, but if you know a little bit of Python, that would be a plus. Learn how to automate the things with Python and take your Python skill to the next level. Enroll today and I'll see you inside the course.